I had a friend who got a little angry at his TV, kind of smashed the screen. So this guy here, I think it's about 42 inches. Unfortunately, the screen is cracked, at least the internal screen thing, I think it's called a digitizer or something. That's busted up. In my area, no one wants these. Usually it's a power supply or a board that's broken, people might buy them. But once the screen is actually cracked, no one wants them. And I'm pretty sure this is an older TV. Also, I think it looks kind of like a HDMI, sorry, not HDMI, a LCD plasma TV. So people don't really care for these anymore either. So I'm gonna open this guy up and see what's inside. I'm not sure what's in here. I've never opened one before. But let's have some fun. So we got a nice hunk of cable, power cable. Now let's unscrew all the screws. There's plenty of these screws. Pretty much go all around. Thank God for electric screwdrivers and drills, because this would have taken forever to unscrew. I think I got all of them. There was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's about 14 screws to unscrew. So definitely would have really sucked if for some reason you didn't have an electric screwdriver. So this is coming off.